Today I'm going to make some chicken tinola. It's a Filipino soup. Now I'm gonna clean my chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but then I have to remove the skin. I don't like chicken with the skin unless it's chicken wings. I'm going to clean it first and then put some salt and black pepper. I'm only making like four thighs. It's just for me and my husband. And then I put this in a freezer until the trash day. So the trash doesn't stink. So when I'm cleaning my chicken, I put vinegar mixed with the water. And just let it sit maybe like 5-10 minutes and then you rinse it out. So I already rinsed out my chicken. Now I'm just gonna put some black pepper and salt. Hi guys, I'm going to my garden and get some malunggay, moringa for my tinola. Here's my moringa. Let me go pick some leaves for my tinola. Which one should I get? That's kind of high. I go on this one. Here's my ingredients for my tinola. Garlic, ginger, onion, and papaya. The papaya is from my garden too. I picked them yesterday. Malunggay, cooking oil. Let's check my tinola. It's cooking really good. Let me try if it's enough salt in here. Need a little bit of salt. Let's try it again. It's better. So here's my tinola. It's done. Now I'm going to put my moringa. Kain na tayo. Ito yung aking tinola. Ito, marami siyang papaya. Saka yung kanin. Siyempre may kanin. Sabawan natin ang kanin. Sarap. Kain tayo. Yum. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Guys, have a good week. Bye.